Top 5 Best Portable Guest Bed. Number 5. SoundAsleep Air Mattress. SoundAsleep Queen Size Air Mattress is probably one of the best comfortable guest bed options. It's durable, it's comfortable, and it boasts a premium look. The moment you'll see the product, it will make you want to buy it. Durability. If you judge this mattress by its look, you'll know that it is packed with ultimate durability. It comes with exclusive comfort coil technology and sure grip bottom, which ensures the firmness and stability of the product. For added durability, it has 40 internal coils. Want to have a product that will give you its service in the long run? Get your hands on this SoundAsleep Air Mattress. Quick installation. Don't get fooled by the size of this queen-size air mattress. Despite its huge size, the mattress is pretty easy to install. It has got a patented one-click internal pump. All you need to do is fill the mattress with air to set it up anywhere you want. The whole inflation takes just 4 minutes. When you don't need it, easily deflate it by releasing the pump. That being said, you should know that once you inflate the mattress, it can stay inflated for a good amount of days. Waterproof flock top. If somehow your mattress is exposed to water, it won't be a problem. Water does nothing to this durable and amazing mattress. The extra thick waterproof flock top is also resistant to puncture. Jump on it with your kids, and this mattress will withstand the pressure. Furthermore, the eco-friendly PVC feature makes the mattress more durable than any of its competitors. Compactness and portability. Worried about storing the mattress? Why will you be when this mattress can be deflated? After your guests are gone, you can simply release the air out and store the mattress in a small space. If you want to travel with it, you can do so. Simply deflate the mattress, put it in a carrying bag and take it anywhere you want. Highlighted features. Comfort coil technology and sure grip bottom ensure the ultimate durability. Installing the mattress is a piece of cake. Fill it up with air and that's it, your mattress is prepared. It comes with a waterproof flock top which resists accidental punctures. You can store it anywhere or take it anywhere simply by deflating the mattress. Coming in number 4. Milliard Tri-Folding Memory Foam Mattress. Our next pick is the Milliard Tri-Folding Memory Foam Mattress. This is one of the best products from Milliard, which has been running super hot inside the marketplace. It has met the demands of thousands. Packed full of advanced features, it can be your perfect mattress too. Comfortable sleep. Your friends are not going to like to sleep on thin mattresses after spending a whole day partying, right? Save the embarrassment and replace your hard guest bed mattress with Milliard Tri-Folding Memory Foam Mattress. It is super soft and bouncy which, once they lie on it, will make their eyes closed within minutes. The warming embrace will make your friends go wow. The foam mattress surely is one of the best, if not the best portable mattress for guests. Portability. You might want to have a bed with you while traveling anywhere. You can take the Milliard Tri-Folding Memory Foam as a company. The mattress is light enough, allowing you to carry it anywhere, anytime you want all by yourself. Airflow. Getting enough amount of airflow is a must for all mattresses. Otherwise, the mattress would heat up. Cheap mattresses do not have the ventilation process for airflow. As a result, people end up finding it hard to have a sound sleep. Get yourself the Milliard Memory Foam Tri-Fold mattress instead. It has a perfect ventilation system which increases the flow of air inside it. Your guests will find your bed cooler even during summer sleepovers. Easy installation. Got unexpected guests? Don't worry, you'll need a few minutes only to set the Milliard Memory Foam Tri-Fold mattress up. Just unfold the foam bed and place it anywhere you want. You can place it on floors, tents, mobile homes, etc., and you'll still have a deep and comfortable sleep. Highlighted features. Its super soft and bouncy structure lets everyone have a sound sleep. You can carry it anywhere you want with ease and convenience. The ventilation process lets enough amount of airflow which prevents the bed from heating up. This allows you to have a deep sleep with no discomfort. Setting the mattress is only a matter of a few minutes. Just unfold it and place it anywhere you want. Coming in number 3. Milliard Diplomat Folding Guest Bed with Memory Foam Mattress. Memory foam toppers, folding beds, you name it, you can depend on Milliard Premium Folding Bed to have the ultimate sleeping experience. With its packed full of advanced features, you can turn your nap into a refreshing night's sleep. Durability. If durability is what you care about, and you should be, the bed is the game for you. Unlike its competitors that lack durability, the bed is constructed with heavy-duty, high-quality steel tubing. The steel tubing has got double reinforcement at the base, which is not only durable but ensures it won't bend over time. The entire frame boasts a sleek back finish which will get you covered for years of satisfaction. Portability. If you're on an adventure journey and you're thinking that carrying a bed with you isn't a bad idea, the bed should be your pick. It's so light that you can carry this bed all by yourself, using your 2 hands. It has got legs that automatically fold themselves when you'll part the mattress. To make your transportation easy, the bed features a 360-degree pivoting caster. This also ensures maximum mobility. The bed comes with 2 wheels that lock in place when you're moving the bed. As for space, the bed is so compact that it can be stored almost anywhere in little space. Just fold it when your guests are gone, and you'll see how it fits in a small storeroom. Comfort. Thin mattresses can give you a hard time sleeping with comfort. Trying to sleep on hard surfaces is more like trying to win a war zone. Love squishy, soft, and comfortable beds? The Milliard folding bed can fill your cup. The 5-pound memory foam mattress doesn't compromise comfort at all. As you lie on it, you'll be hugged with its soft and squishy embrace which will, of course, make your eyes closed. With its spring-loaded softness, you'll find the bed quite bouncy. But hey, do not jump on the bed, okay? It's meant for a nice and warm sleep. Highlighted features. The construction of high-quality steel tubing makes the product durable enough to last for years. It's lightweight and easy to carry and has 2 wheels that ensure amazing portability. The product boasts a very compact shape and design, so you can store it even in small places. It's soft, squishy, and bouncy which helps you to have a nice and sound sleep. Coming in number 2. LUCID Rollaway Folding Guest Bed with Memory Foam Mattress. If comfort is what matters to you most, you can rely on the LUCID Rollaway Folding Guest Bed with your eyes closed. When it comes to creating a comfort zone, this portable bed is a gem. Loaded with tons of advanced features, the product maintains durability, portability, and comfort zone. Comfort. A 1-inch memory foam constructs the bed which is soft enough to do the job of a lullaby. Once your guests hit the sack, they'll feel their body has dived inside a piece of butter. It eventually makes your eyes closed as you feel its soft embrace, thanks to the 3 inches support foam. Easy setup. Preparing this bed is simple like snapping your finger. Even when your friends give you a surprise visit, you can prepare the bed for them within minutes. All you need to do is pull it out when your guests come in and fold it when you don't need it. Compactness. Does it take too much space? The answer is a big no. The bed comes with a very compact design and shape, built especially for blending inside a small space. Durability. The mattress is made up of a heavy-duty frame and can take a beating. Unlike its competitors, its high-quality construction ensures the product can last for years after years. If you want a durable mattress, this one should be your best pick. Highlighted features. The 1-inch foam along with 3 inches support foam makes the product soft and comfortable. It's easy to install and easy to unfold. It comes with a compact design that takes a little span of space. It is durable enough to last for years. Coming in number 1. LEISUIT Rollaway Guest Bed. When you are thinking about giving a good value of your money for a stronger ideal portable folding bed, this can be perfect for you. With less storing space, it can be an ideal one. Comfortable. Memory foam comes with a high-density sponge. Lying on the bed makes no sense if there is not enough comfort provided. Memory foam mattress with 3 inches thickness evaluates an additional comfort for sound sleep. The center bar doesn't make any connection with the mattress. It ensures that you won't feel any bar when you lay down. Supreme strength and lightweight. Unlike other folding portable bed, it is more elastic and comfortable to use. A user-friendly folding bed with maximum strength is desired, and this product is promised to complete your desires. 600D Oxford with support spring makes it stronger than the conventional one. Lightweight features make it more flexible to use. Quick to install. When time is very important to you and you don't want to waste your time with the installing and folding the bed, make an experience with it. It takes around 1 minute to assemble it by you. Applicability and portability. It can be useful for office nap, guest, office breaks, rents, or other uses. It is very much helpful for older people. The dimension of this portable bed is 38 by 31 by 7 inches. So, you don't have to worry much about the storage after leaving guests. Highlighted features. Provides strong support up to 300 pounds. Very comfortable as it comes with 3 inches memory foam mattress. Saves storing area with decorative design. You can install it without any tools. Very much economical.